Y'all liking the new daily? I'm just teasing again, y'all. That's the new rental again. Welcome back to another video with Rish and the TSX that got totaled. We are going to be rebuilding it. If you've been watching the videos and the recent uploads, you know, you can see that we got the radiator support off. Now, got the pressure washer out here because your boy wants to clean it up. Got the compressor over there to blow off some wetness, and then also had to come back and straighten out some portions and whatnot and try to get it a little bit better. That's what my goal is for right now, and then we're gonna take it from there. Let's get to it. Let me start spraying down. All I got is Dawn soap over here. It's all I have at the moment because I ran out of purple power, but I guess this will work. I feel like I have some super green somewhere though. So y'all, it's actually called Simple Green instead of Super Green Max. Pretty sure that's what this is in this bottle. I don't think I replaced it, but we're gonna use it. So let me get the spraying and do my little brush. This is just trying to clean everything real quick, you know? Red things out a little bit. Get out of my way, zip ties. I don't have to go too crazy with scrubbing, maybe in just like some of the more caked areas, just to break it up a little bit. Like there. Paint off that, y'all see that? Yeah, got it cleaned up basically for the most part. You know, most of the grime and stuff is off. Now I'm gonna come over here and start trying to bang everything that I need to a little bit straighter. Small minor things, especially from like the prying of the radiator support, and then try to get this a little bit straightened up. There's nothing that's kinked. Like the only thing that's a little kinked is right here. And I'm testing something out. Ow, the battery died in the middle of me talking, but so yeah, like I was saying, I got this here, and it seems if I like kind of just tap it, it might just bring that up. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I apologize for that, man. It just, the wind be winding and that shit ripped, and the rain. I mean, it's kind of doing it. Let's see if I could get a pry action or something. Metal I'm prying against, it's not really too intact. It's flexing too, so it's kind of not helping too good. So guys, of course it's getting all dark. See that? Sunset. This side, at least this portion, I got pretty good. I mean, like, there's a little bit, you know, there's a little crease and little dimples and stuff still, but for the most part, I got it pretty good. I straightened this more out at a more proper angle to match that side over there. Now, you know, I keep looking over here. You can kind of see the curvature of the fender. Again, before it was kind of a little bit more up and to the left, but now it's a little bit more proper. Maybe I give it 2 more whacks or something like that. 'Cause I'm using the wood right now to kind of help me. I'm using all sorts of different methods, y'all, because I'm learning. I don't got all the proper shit, so yeah. Show you all real quick. I've been doing that to kind of align it a little bit better. this one little spot weld area keep fucking with me. It doesn't want to fully line up, but it's like basically there, but it keeps like...
He got OCD.
Yeah. Now, I kind of enjoy this body stuff. It's real time consuming, you know, especially because I'm just learning and I'm trying to figure out what does what, you know, what's gonna work. But I mean, it's been going, and I feel like that little, you know, dimplage is fine. I don't feel like I'm gonna get that any straighter right now. As long as body panels all line up and things, you know, come together, should be all right.
He's not a half-asser guy, so he's gonna make it right as much as he can.
As you can see, the white TSX, you know, still sitting. I'm just nerve-wracked to start painting, you know, especially with a paint gun now, because I've never done that before, and I decided to switch over to that. Cost-wise, it just made a lot more sense. I got the compressor, all this and that, you know, I just got to buy a reducer for the paint. I was prepping myself, like I was getting all the stuff, and then this happened. So I'm
actually, the week of the accident, a bunch of stuff came in to actually...
Yeah, same week, I'm getting the paint, primer, clear coat, all that. So I was stacking up, I was prepping to get it done. But now this has my time, because I need this daily backup. I need this running...
This daily plus another one, but we, you know...
we're going to have to buy another daily. Stay tuned. And still figuring out what the hell I want. Rear wheel drives calling my name, especially after that V8, man. Yeah, that was fun. But no, I kind of got that part as straight as I feel like I'm gonna get right now. Maybe tomorrow I'll mess with it a little bit more, but like it's getting darker and I don't want to sit out here, you know, banging away too damn long. So I'll get back to y'all later. So y'all, I seen on, you know, YouTube and whatnot with body repair stuff, someone's like, you know, adjustable's your best friend, and it honestly has been really useful on just a lot of it, and honestly just for this too. I can't even really use the hydraulic thing because it's only for like pushing away and separating kind of thing, nothing for pulling. So that's where I put it. But you know, here we are going little by little. Trying to do something, you know. Little by little movements around, not trying to force anything too much on one end. Trying to like move it around a little bit. And again, y'all, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but it's like I just have basic knowledge.
Mechanically inclined.
Some tough stuff right here, you know? I mean, it's moving. These are moving. It's just a lot of effort for this shit, though. It's some thick metal. This is almost like the perfect one because it reaches kind of far enough to the exact point of me needing to bend. So kind of working out a little bit. Just a little bit.
Man.
A little bit of maneuvering back and forth and hammering to kind of relieve some stress and get things a little bit back down. It's getting there. It's getting there. Yeah, I'm sacrificing a breaker bar right now because I got nothing else that seems to be able to reach in there kind of good, and I'm just trying to relieve a little bit of stress in the bubble. I don't even know if that's like I'm doing it correct, you know? It just sounds correct. It feels correct, but I don't know if it is. Obviously this method ain't correct, using a breaker bar and a sledgehammer. But if it works, right? See that? I mean, you see that? The real deal is, you know, I'm gonna have to grab the spare bash bar and line it up and make sure it threads through. We'll get to that when we get to that. Well, it's good, y'all. Happy Friday. Back after, you know, doing what we can throughout the week. Yeah, this is, you know, straight as it's gonna get for the most part. I might tap this down a little bit actually, but it's like there's only so much I can do or like straighten out because I have nothing to pull. Right here, this panel, I guess decided to do a little shifty shift. So it's kind of just pushed a little bit like outwards this way. So I'm gonna see if I could get the hammer and stuff and some wood and smack it here and here, whatever, and get it like flattened down and push it back a little bit outwards. Like I said, guys, I don't have nothing to pull. So like this, I got out as best as I could, but you know, it still has a little bit. But like I said, yo, I'm doing what I can with what I have and with the knowledge that I have, so thankfully it doesn't seem that bad. It seems like I could correct that. Not really noticing any other kinks or like it being bent somewhere, you know? So I'm gonna be attempting all that I can. Put some good old wood on it. Why are you falling? This thing is hella useful. It makes things a lot easier and, you know, takes shit off quicker. But I'm just going light, trying to go light. Gonna, you know, clean up the rust that I see, go quick, you know, spray can stuff, and bada bing, bada boom. You know, that's how we're gonna go about it. That's what I'm doing. All right, guys. So I got this all grinded down, whatever rust spots I felt like grinding down, and I also scuffed it with 220 really quick, just the base metal spots and kind of just around it a little bit, which the whole thing is going to get scuffed again. I just wanted to do that right now, put the aswell on, then when it gets scuffed, the whole entire thing with like the 220, and then, you know, do the whole priming, self-etch prime where we need to on the base metals. I'm gonna have to buy some weld through prime for like this portion right here and over here. When I do the front radiator support, the welds go through and it penetrates. So yeah, I have to go find that. So I'm just trying to get this done because I need a couple things from the store. So I just want to get this done and maybe do that side really quick. So if you're wondering what this is the aswell. I'm sorry, this is so windy up in here. This is the aswell. This is like the rust neutralizer. Sorry, y'all. That's why sometimes I don't even pick up the camera. But yeah, so you just give some nice little coatings wherever you feel where the rust is. You kind of want to do like thinner layers, you know, if really you want to come in, you know, for a second layer at some point. But I'm just gonna do the one. Damn, hair is falling off from being in the crevice. What's up, guys? Ready for some etching prime and weld through prime right here. As you guys could hear, we got some really good ventilation going on right now. So yeah, super windy. Like, it got extra windy as soon as I was like talking to y'all. What the fuck? But we have been doing a little bit of things, you know, getting to it with this. So I got some of this stuff, U-Paul number 2. This is a weld through zinc primer. This is for, you know, all the areas where the radiator support is supposed to sit. This shit cost quite a bit. It was like $46, you know, $43 plus tax. But on Amazon it was like $37, $38. But then I'd have to wait until Tuesday, a couple days. Yeah, I'm shaking the hell out of this because it's been sitting for a little bit. So just trying to shake it the fuck up. Getting all the base metal covered, so no rusting. It's all neutralized and it'll be good to go. That's how I like it. I'm gonna go light on the self-etching prime because it's not really used as an actual primer or sealer, it's just for the base metal spots. But you do want to get everything scuffed down so it adheres better. What's up, guys? Figured to give you a little bit of update and try to finish out this video and some progress. Last couple days we haven't really done anything, I'm gonna be honest, because I've been stuck on Marketplace and traveling, trying to look at cars and stuff. It's just been a big dub. A lot of phonies on Marketplace and people playing games and just a lot of clappers for too much damn money, you know? A struggle to find a car, and that's been my main focus, stressing about that because got a damn rental. We just had to extend it out for another 4 days or whatever, and that was like 160 bucks, so it's like just wasting money. Finally, take a break from stressing about that, and while we have some daylight, I'm scuffing down all the primer areas, just so I could get it like painted, and if I need to come back and rework some stuff or grind a little bit down because I need to do welding or whatever, then so be it. Things will get touched up. So I'm just scuffing it lightly, all the primer with some Scotch-Brite, and then we're just gonna get this shit painted. So we got some progress, you know? You feel me? All right, y'all, so this is what I'm gonna be painting with. Yes, some Rust-Oleum. I feel like it's gonna do the job for right now. I'm not looking for perfection, get it done and kind of looking decent, you know? So this is kind of how it looks. And it matches up with the rest of the black bay pretty decent. Then I might throw on some satin clear instead of a gloss. The engine bay isn't that glossy anyway, so tried my best to try to make it look good, but hey, like I said, we're just trying to make it happen. I don't know exactly how this is gonna turn out, y'all, but it's gonna turn out. That's for sure. It's gonna fucking turn out, you know? You know what I mean? Know what I mean? I don't got too much paint left. I'm gonna try to do another quick last layer, and that'll be that. Let it flash dry, and then I'll throw some satin clear on it. So guys, we have it coated, we got it on. It's done, you know, it's sealed, it's protected. Your boy did a little oopsies as usual with clear coat, going a little bit of heavy, so you could kind of see like the whiteness form. And I think that's like the issue with using this Rust-Oleum. Like right there, you could see it went kind of like heavy, so you see kind of like the whiteness of it. Here I was a little bit more forgiving. All in all, I mean, it's not too bad. This is the worst side because it's the one I started with, and then I noticed how heavy I got, and I was like, oh shit, oh my god. I was like, not again like the valve cover thing where I'm about to sit here and sand it all back down again and redo it. I was like, man, I don't give a fuck. To be honest, it's more protection, I guess, more clear coating. I don't know. It's all right. Thank you for tuning into this video. I know it's kind of a little bit dragged and, you know, a little bit of progress because we ran out, grabbed some parts, did that, you know, trying to do these steps, and then also focus on the daily has taken up a lot of time because your boy needs something. I'm tired of this rental shit. So then once we get a daily, we could full send, full focus back on this, start cleaning up parts that we need to, start ripping off some of the tubing, you know, just more focus, and finish up the dash because I started up the dashboard. That's gonna be probably another video, so stay tuned. But I started ripping off the dash, and then I just had to stop because of doing other things and picking up parts and all that. So thank you guys for tuning in. It's been your boy Rish. I appreciate you guys sticking with me and, you know, just supporting the channel with what we post. Stop fucking slacking, get this done, get that especially done. Update really quick, I maybe said this, but I got all the material. We borrowed that compressor, 30 gal from my homie, got all the material, and then this happened. So this kind of took priority, and then, you know, also finding a daily. So can't fully focus on that right now when I'm stressing about other shit. And it was just our anniversary too, guys. 7-year anniversary, me and my girl. So we were just celebrating that yesterday. And this weekend coming up, we're going to Devil's Den, I think so. Do some snorkeling. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. You know, I'll probably bring you along. Obviously, that'd probably be for the vlog channel though. Start recording vlogs for the vlog channel and get that going, so we could do like different things, because I know you guys are not gonna all watch all that shit. Came for the car stuff. But with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. It's been your boy Rish, and I'm out. Peace.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.